welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I'm gonna make a St. Patrick's Day balloon garland for my banister. I'm more so embracing the saintly side of St. Patrick's Day. If you get a chance, look his story up. He was truly a saint. He went back and he actually helped the people that had oppressed him. So it truly is a saintly story behind St. Patrick's Day. Like, I never knew what it meant because I would see the pot of gold, it would be the drinking and stuff like that. So he is truly a saint. So that's why I'm making this balloon garland. I'm probably not gonna talk a lot during this video, but I'm gonna make sure I link link to another tutorial that I did that's very similar to this one that you can watch and get a little bit more details. But I will record a lot of the steps of the process, but I'm just not gonna do a whole lot of talking. And then all the materials will be listed below with links if you wanna do this yourself. All right, here we go. I just created this. I thought the camera was on, it wasn't on. So what I did was just take each one of these quads and I just kept connecting them by the neck, like that, until I get a mini garland. I'm so looking forward to seeing how this is gonna look on my balloon garland. This is my first time using a mini 5-inch balloon garland on my garland. All right. I just want to let you know that I am going to use 2 of these on my balloon garland. The reason I can't show you is because I made the other one yesterday. And so my intention was to let you see how I made this one. Okay, here we go. for the gold balloons, I tied most of them by the neck. I only added like 4 clusters of 3, so I tied them by the neck. And then one of them I couldn't really, I wanted to place it in a specific spot, so I used a rubber band. Okay, so please tell me what you think of this balloon garland. I do like it. I just wish I would have had more of these 5-inch balloons, so I could have made more of the 5-inch clusters throughout. I was only able to put it in 2 spots, but I feel like I needed to put it in more, like just kind of throughout the garland. So let me know what you think of it. Comment below. Please feel free to share this video. And if you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so. I thank you so much for joining me today. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Until I see you next time. Bye.